apple, B for ball, C for cat,
D
for dog,
E
for elephant,
F
F for fish,
G
for grapes,
H
for horse,
I
for ice cream,
J
for jug,
K
for kite,
L
for lion,
M
for monkey,
N
for nest,
O
for owl,
P
P for parrot,
Q
Q for crane,
R
for road,
S
S for sunflower,
T
T for tiger,
U
U for umbrella,
V
for
violin
the
violin
violin,
W
W for watch, X for grapes, not tea,
Y
for yak,
yak Z
Z for zebra.
ગુડ બોય તાળી પાડો